Developing a growth mindset, the key to lasting success. Welcome to Motivational Inform. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for personal and professional success, the growth mindset. If you've ever felt stuck, doubted your potential, or wondered how to achieve lasting success, this video is for you. I'll guide you through what a growth mindset is, why it matters, and how to develop it in your life. Let's get started. 1. What is a growth mindset? A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities, intelligence, and talents can be developed through effort, learning, and persistence. It's the opposite of a fixed mindset, where people believe their skills and intelligence are set in stone. Fixed mindset, I'm just not good at math. Growth mindset, I can improve my math skills with practice. When you have a growth mindset, challenges become opportunities, and failures are just stepping stones to growth. It's the foundation for achieving lasting success. 2. Why a growth mindset matters. Why is developing a growth mindset so important? Because it changes the way you approach life. With a growth mindset, you're more resilient, more willing to take risks, and better equipped to handle setbacks. You see effort as the path to mastery and criticism as an opportunity to learn, not as a personal attack. 3. How to develop a growth mindset. Now that we know what a growth mindset is and why it matters, let's dive into how you can develop it. Here are 5 practical steps to cultivate a growth mindset in your daily life. Step 1. Embrace challenges. Challenges are not roadblocks. They're opportunities to grow. When faced with a tough situation, remind yourself, this is how I get stronger. Instead of avoiding challenges, lean into them. Each challenge you overcome builds confidence and resilience. Step 2. Reframe failure as feedback. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Every failure teaches you something valuable. Instead of thinking, I failed, try asking, what can I learn from this? Use failures as stepping stones toward your goals. Step 3. Cultivate a love for learning. People with a growth mindset are lifelong learners. They know that every skill can be improved with time and effort. Commit to learning something new every day. The more you learn, the more you grow. Step 4. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your mindset. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you to grow. Share your goals with people who uplift you and hold you accountable. Step 5. Practice positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself matters. Replace negative, fixed mindset thoughts with positive, growth-oriented ones. Your inner dialogue sets the tone for your actions. Be kind, encouraging, and optimistic. The rewards of a growth mindset. Developing a growth mindset isn't just about achieving success. It's about enjoying the journey, building resilience, and unlocking your full potential. The more you embrace a growth mindset, the more you'll see yourself grow in ways you never imagined. Conclusion. Your journey starts today. Developing a growth mindset takes time, but it's worth the effort. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and believe in your ability to grow. Remember, lasting success isn't about being perfect. It's about growing every day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Motivational Inform for more tips and tools to help you succeed. Let's grow together. See you next time.